Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create serial communication between PyCharm and ESP8266. So this way you could send commands from PyCharm or your favorite Python IDE to ESP8266. So let's get started. So first let's open the Arduino IDE. So in the previous one I showed you how to set up with ESP8266 and run an example blank program. So let's check everything is in place. Go to File, Preference, JSON, okay, and check if the tools, boats, ESP8266, and we have selected Node MCU 0.0. Perfect. All right. For serial communication, we need to assign a variable. So let's assign a variable. Let's string. So I'm gonna call the variable as command. So we need to receive command from the Python. Perfect. All right. So and what setup we are going to use serial dot begin and gonna use the value 9600. Perfect. All right. And let's use the built-in LED. So to do that, we're gonna use pin mode LED underscore built-in as output. Perfect. All right. So we have completed the what setup. Get into the while loop. So here we're gonna see first if the serial port is available or not. So for this one, we're gonna use the if statement. If serial dot available is greater than 0. So moment. All right, greater than 0, 0 command. Moment. All right, command equal to serial dot read string until perfect. All right. So if serial is available, get the command. That is the string value we're gonna get from the Python. It's gonna serial read string until slash n. So the Python sends slash n and end of the command. So I'm gonna use that. All right. So the next one, uh, the command has received, so we're gonna see like what is the command. So if it's on, off, so if command is equal to double quotes on digital write build sorry LED underscore build and high. So we're gonna send a serial write to back to the Python. Serial write double quotes LED on. Perfect. So if the command is on, we're gonna write the digit write a built-in LED to high and send back to the Python that the LED is on. So finish this loop and add an else if command, else if command, whatever they call it, to like now we need to check if the command is off. I'm gonna copy this. And for this one, we need to turn off the LEDs, so we need to use the low and show it off. All right, so good. If the command is on, it will turn on and send back that is on back to the Python. If the Python sends off command, will turn off the LED and send back to the Python that the LED is off. What is uh, the command is anything else? So we're gonna write else serial write and valid command. All right. So let double check everything is in place. So we're gonna assign a variable string as command to receive from Python. So gonna set up the void loop, the void function. So we use the serial begin, the value as 9600. Make sure you're entering the same value in the Python as well. So using the pin mode LED built in as output, void loop. Alright, if serial port is available. Okay, command read string stuff on perfect. Okay, alright, let's save this program and upload this one to the ESP. So stack. So it's compiling right now. So it's compiled and started uploading. You could see the ESP lattice blinking. So it's uploading. 53, 61 percentage. Awesome. All right, we have uploaded the program successfully. So let open the PyCharm. Okay, let's get files, new project, and I'm gonna call this as ESP32 or 8266, and gonna select this one so this way I could get all the packages that I've installed, so I don't need to install the packages once again, the libraries. So let's hit create this window. Alright, it's creating the environment. Perfect. Alright, so let's clear everything. So for this Python, we need the library called serial. First of all, let's install the serial library. For this one, I'm gonna use the shortcut Control Alt S to open this one. Go into the projects, interpreter, and let click on the plus sign. And let's say the library is called pyserial. All right, gonna install this one. All right, so it's installed successfully. All right, so let's exit and click OK. All right, so we're also gonna import time. All right, so here I'm gonna assign a variable. So I'm gonna call it serial. Oops, moment. Serial communication equal to. So we're gonna say which port this is gonna use. So I'm gonna click serial dot serial as caps, and I'm gonna use the com port. So for which com it is connected to C, you need to go to the desktop and go click this PC and right click this PC, go to manage and then go to the device manager, go to sports, and you could see this serial port, the Arduino is connected in the COM3. So say COM3. All right, and we're gonna use the 96,000, sorry, 9,600, the serial. uh, So for this one, you're gonna need to enter the serial port what you have, and then so use your serial port. Okay, what's this? Oops, it's in caps. Use your serial comport. All right, and use the number which you got in the USB. Perfect. All right, so gonna set a timeout. So I'm gonna call it a serial communication dot timeout equals 1. All right. So we're gonna use a function. So a loop. Let's say call it a while loop. So while true, saying a variable to get the input, we need to add a variable. So I'm gonna call it input variable var, and I'm gonna get input. So I'm gonna use the input function. Input. So gonna enter the command. All right. Perfect. Right on. Also use a strip. Perfect. All right. So after we got the input, gonna see if the input variable variable says stop. So here, like we're gonna see of the variable says stop to end the function. So print stopped, and we're gonna break the loop. All right, perfect. So here we're gonna write if us not stop any other value, so it will into the next line. So we're gonna set the serial communication dot write input variable dot encode. Right, perfect. Gonna times sleep of 1 second, nor 0.5. All right, perfect. And we're gonna print the value which we get from the ESP. So gonna print serial communication dot read line dot decode ASCII. If this decode doesn't work for some system, you could use the ETF8. So, do the one and end the serial communication dot close. All right, so let's double check everything is in line. So we need the serial library. So import library. So we assigned a variable called serial communication. Assign this one. Profile, put variable command of put variable stop and break the command and what variable serial dot close. Perfect. So here if the value we are entering is not stop, it will send it to the ESP. If it's stop, it will break the command. So let's run this program. Right click on any here and run main. Perfect. No errors. Alright, so we're gonna enter the command. So as on, sorry, it's the ESP is on. So gonna enter it's off. Enter command. Okay, off. Okay, it's on. Okay, something's wrong with the Arduino code. Check on the read not receiving commands as well. Let's check this one. So does Arduino, let's see. Okay, if it's on, we need to turn on the high. So high is on. So the code is correct. Okay, guys, so for some reason, my ESP turning off when it says on and it's turned on when it says off. So what I'm gonna do is change this to low and change this to high. So I'm not sure why this thing happens. Maybe a fault to my ESP, or it could be some other problem. So please comment below, like, do you have this problem with your ESP as well? So that way I could know why it happens. So comment what you get. Okay, so I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna re-upload to the ESP once again. All right, let's compiling and oh, sorry. We need to stop the function, right? So we're gonna stop it. So it stopped. All right, something happened. We get into this later. So try to upload once again. This error occurred because like the we have established the serial, so we're working on that. So okay, and here we have a minor fault. I missed to enter this, so that's why we didn't get the we didn't get. All right, guys. So like I said, sometimes this will not work. So put it UTF-8. Gonna use this method to decode the values. So save this and run this once again. So next for the command. So the ASP is in the on position. So I'm gonna turn off. It's turned off, all right, and we got the value from the ESP. So that's why the intended function we need to like we didn't enter the print, so that's why we didn't get that in the first place. All right, so let's turn on. Perfect, it turns on. All right, we good to go. Let's try it a few more times. It's fun, right? Yeah. All right, it turns on. All right. Perfect, that works. Okay, so let's try to stop the thing. Oh, perfect, it stopped as well. So this is how we use serial communication to y- use Python for commands like this. So in the next video, I'm gonna cover how to use speech recognition and this serial communication to turn on and off the built-in LED. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. See you around, and I will share this program, the codes in my GitHub. I will share the GitHub link in the description. So stay tuned, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.